BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you again from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. Hey guys, you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're gonna take me back to when I was a child. We're gonna make something I don't see people making a lot nowadays, but some people do. We're gonna do sloppy joes, but we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. We're gonna make the sauce ourselves. We're not gonna use any manwich or any of that stuff. Although I do remember manwich. I remember when my mom tried to make it one time. Before that, she was making it by scratch. 70, 75, something like that. But anyway, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Share the video, guys, and let's get started with some sloppy joes. The ingredients are my supporting cast. Pretty simple. We're going to use a little higher fat content, or leaner content I should say, of ground beef. This is going to be just regular old ground beef. It's going to be about, I couldn't find anything higher than this at the store. Usually I like to get higher for sloppy joes, but this is 85-15. I got one whole onion cut up. I got a whole green pepper cut up, bell pepper. I'm using about half of this tomato sauce, about a half a cup of brown sugar. We got our Worcestershire sauce. We got some black pepper, some minced garlic. Of course, I gotta have my pink Himalayan sea salt. I got some lye seasoning salt. I also got some garlic powder, a little bit of mustard, French's, and you use your favorite barbecue sauce. To begin with, I'm going to use 2 pans because I'm going to do my vegetables in one and the ground beef, and I'll incorporate everything in the other. But to begin with, I got a little saucepan on here. I'm going to put my my onion and my green pepper in here just so I can get them nicely caramelized here. So I'm going to add my onions here, and we're going to sweat those down. It may take about 5-6 minutes to do that. Let them do its thing. And I'm going to add my green pepper. Now you guys can use whatever you want to use. You want to use red pepper, feel free. I'm just using onions and green peppers today. Okay, so we're going to put 1 pound just regular old ground beef in here. This happens to be, like I said earlier, it's 85-15. And we're going to brown that up just a little bit. And this is a great meal because you can feed maybe 3, 4, 5 people on just 1 pound of ground beef. Sorry about my arm in there in the way. Sorry about that. So we're going to go ahead and let this brown up a little bit and let our onions and green pepper sweat down. Then we're going to incorporate the two together. As this ground beef starts to brown up here, I'm going to season it just a little bit. Got my pink Himalayan sea salt going in. Alright, and I got a little bit of black pepper. And we're going to hit it with our garlic powder a little bit. Just a tad bit. And then we're going to come back with our lye seasoning salt. We're going to continue to mix this up and let it brown off a little bit. As you can see, it doesn't take too long to brown up, so let's get this nice and brown. May not even have to strain this off. It doesn't have that much fat in it. And our onions are sweating down, green pepper is sweating down a little bit. How do you know when it's done? When you can see the onions start to get real translucent. I'm going to take mine a little past that point, but that's because I want them to really release some of those flavors. So I'm going to add the vegetables to it. We're going to mix that up in there real good. Turn the fire up a little bit. Alright, so now let's add our rest of our ingredients and let this cook down so we can make some sloppy joes. Alright, so to this we're going to add about half of this can This is almost 16 fluid ounces, so we're going to add about 8 ounces of it. About half of that. And we're going to add, this is about a half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to add about, really this is about half a teaspoon of mustard. We're going to add about, I would say about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to add about half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup of barbecue sauce. Let me mix this up in here, and then I'm going to add my garlic, because I want to mix it up and see what the consistency is first. Alright, so we're going to let this cook just a little bit. Let me add my garlic. Do about a tablespoon of garlic. You know me and garlic. Now you guys can use your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever that might be. Mine happens to be a local barbecue sauce here called Paul Mall's. Actually, the barbecue joint has gone out of business, but they still sell the sauce. But I love it. Alright, so we're going to let this cook down probably about 15 minutes or so. Alright, so here's the sloppy joes. They've been cooking for about 10-15 minutes, letting them cook down and thicken up. So this is about the consistency that I want. And I'm going to plate these up for you guys, okay? Homemade sloppy joes, a little bit of tater tots on the side. Much better than manwich. Forget manwich. Just go ahead and make it yourself. Much better. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Like I said, forget the manwich. You can do it all right here at home. But you know I'm waiting for this bite. This is going to be a tough one because you can't make sloppy joes without being a little sloppy. Forgive me. I'll grab a tater tot. Hey guys, if you ever have this instead of having manwich, you'll never buy that canned stuff again. Hey, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you always know when a video comes out. Make sure you share it, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.